this Panasonic Quintrix, it's TC2203 model number. It uses a U1 chassis. I think it's from about 1980. I'll put it on and have a look, see what it looks like. See, that frame's a bit jittery. It's not filling screen vertically. Put test card on. No colour. Colour sort of. There we are. That's on video channel. That's what it's like. You see it's squashed. It's 22-inch telly. There's a couple of scratches on screen. There's one here, and there's a little chip there, and there's a scratch there. But they're not really noticeable when you're under normal viewing conditions. Only when you're looking for them. They're not, they're not that bad. Looks quite clean on our side, but I've had a look through slots in top and it does look quite dirty. I've not had back off it yet, so I don't know what I'm going to find inside it. I'll unplug it and I'll take the back off and we'll look inside, see if we can see how. Well, I've got no service info for this. Well, I've got a diagrammatic power supply, but that's it. Other thing that's another problem with these are a bit hit and miss. These touch button tuners, they don't press in or out. But I don't know, they might just need cleaning. Like number one done. The rest of them are sort of alright. But number one, it does go to it occasionally, but usually it goes like 3 or 2 or 7, depending what I've got on for. It goes to 2. It just seems to like go to a random number. That colour's gone, but this colour slider's a bit dodgy as well, but I don't think that's why colour's not there at the minute, but contrast one's alright. Volume one's a bit, it's not too bad, but it's a bit sticky. I think that's from a media player, that noise. This is back at set. You notice that there's a lot of adjustments that are accessible to the user on this set with just like a little screwdriver or something. You've got service switch. I think that collapses frame. Red, green and blue drive. AGC. There's vertical and horizontal, vertical linearity, height. A nice diagram of where all parts are. Focus. So you've got quite a lot of stuff that you can have a good old twiddle, mess about with old geometry and everything, focus and whatnot. Anyway, I'll take back off and we'll have a look inside. Get that then. I just told you it was mucky. Coated in dust. It's a Phillips tube, if you can see the label. it's a 20AX type inline guns. Mullard A56 510X. So I'm going to get over on this and get it clean out. Just completely covered in fluff. Just proper coated in fluff. Wonder if there's any creepy crawlies inside it. I've got it going over with over and brush. You can actually see things a bit. Still quite mucky. I won't get right down in there. Looking quite a bit better though, to be fair. Absolutely loads of dust.